You're standing in the dark, staring at a dead flashlight like it betrayed you personally. The grid is gone, your phone is a useless brick, and every tool you own suddenly needs electricity, something you don't have and can't get. You mutter that you're out of options, but I shake my head because you're standing in a gold mine of junk and don't even see it. The danger isn't the dark, it's believing you're powerless inside it. A shout echoes from somewhere down the street, sharp enough to make you flinch. Good. That urgency will keep you alive. You duck behind the overturned bin I pointed at, and the smell nearly knocks you out. But survival doesn't care how things smell. It only cares whether they work. You tip the bin and start digging through the mess. Metal cans, rusty bolts, a tangle of wires, a broken razor. Exactly what we need. You hold up a corroded soda can like it's worthless, and I tell you that aluminum plus acid equals electricity, even if the world has collapsed. You blink, confused, until I tear the can open and show you the gray metal inside, the part nobody looks at but every survivor depends on.
You keep searching, faster now, heartbeat loud enough that I can hear it. A puddle of old vinegar spills out of a cracked bottle. Perfect. Acid is acid. Doesn't have to be pretty, doesn't have to be clean, just has to bite. We hunker behind the dumpster while someone walks past, dragging something metallic across the road. You freeze so hard you stop breathing. When they're gone, I whisper that you should subscribe to more survival lessons before you end up learning every trick under this kind of pressure. You smirk, just barely, then get back to work. You find a scrap of copper from an old cable, strip it with your teeth because your hands won't stop shaking, and twist it into a coil. I show you how to press the copper against the aluminum, then soak a bit of cardboard in the vinegar and wedge it between them. The moment the acid hits the metals, a tiny hiss escapes, a chemical spark. Your first heartbeat of power. You stare like you've just performed magic, and I tell you that's all a battery is, controlled corrosion. Now you wire 3 of your makeshift cells together.
Not pretty, not stable, but functional. You touch the wires to the dead flashlight and flinch when it flickers once, twice, then glows weakly like a ghost trying to wake up. That faint glow lights your face, and for the first time tonight, you don't look like prey. You look like someone with options. Someone dangerous. You hold the flashlight close, guarding the little power you just forced into existence. You whisper, "This can't really last." I shrug, "Nothing lasts, but this buys us movement, and movement is life." A distant crash rolls through the dark. Someone's breaking into a shop. You tighten your grip on the patched-together battery like it's a compass pointing away from danger. You step lightly, silently, the weak beam just enough to show cracks in the pavement, and not enough to betray you to anyone hunting shadows. You built power out of rubbish. You stole light back from the dark. And right now, in a world where everything else has failed, that sliver of electricity might be the only reason you see tomorrow.